Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look right here. It is a warm brown smoky eye with a green lower lash line, just paired with a nude lip. So if you want to know how to get this look, then keep on watching. Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be going in with the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. Just dotting this all over my face and then using a brush to spread it out. Being sure to get a little dance break in. Then I am going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I am in the shade Soft Beige, and I spread that all over my face and just use my beauty blender to blend it out. And always make sure to get the ears and the neck. Don't want any lines of demarcation. And then I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm in the shade Light, and I'm using this to conceal and highlight my face. So I take it underneath my eyes, center my forehead, bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. I'm just blending that out with a beauty blender. I like to get my eyelids as well, use it as a primer for my eyeshadow later on. And then I'm using my Mercier translucent setting powder to set that all into place and bake underneath my eyes. I'm just using my beauty blender to apply this as well, just in all of the places that I just applied the concealer. And while that is baking, I'm going to be doing my brows. I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in the shade Chocolate. Just using an angled brush to fill in my brows and give them a little bit more definition. And then I am going in with the Maybelline Master Conceal concealer and a flat packing brush to carve out those brows a little bit more, clean them up a little bit. And then I'm just using my finger to tap that out. Not sure why I even showed this because all the writing's worn off, but I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper to set my brows into place. And then I'm going in with my favorite Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm using this shade Silk Cream as a transition shade on just a fluffy blending brush, taking that in my crease. And then the shade right below that is the shade Pooter, and I'm taking that basically right on top of it, maybe a little bit more focused in my crease, just on the same brush. And then on a more tapered blending brush, I am going in with the shade Mocha, and I like to stamp the product on first and then use tiny little circle motions to help blend it out. I'm taking that in my crease a little bit. and then using that brush we first used to help blend out any harsh edges. And I'm going into the shade right next to that chip, doing pretty much the exact same thing with the same brush, just stamping on that product and using the tiny circle motions to blend it out. Focusing this a little bit more on that outer edge. And I'm going into the very first shade in her palette called In Light, using that to highlight my inner corners and bring that up on the lid a little bit. It'll open up your eyes a little bit. I really like the effect it gives. I'm going to just highlight my brow bone with that as well. Then I am going in with the LA Girl eyeliner in the shade Limelight to tight line, and then using the shade Diva right on top of that in my waterline. And to smoke out the lower lash line, I'm going in with the shade Enchanted to really smoke out that lower lash line. Please excuse my face here, haven't learned how to control my face yet. And I am going in with the Kat Von D tattoo liner in the shade Trooper to outline where I want my wings to be. And once I have them outlined, I'm going in with the NYX Epic Ink liner in black to fill them in. For mascara, I'm going to be going in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black for the first coat. And then using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise for the second coat. And then I am using the Essence Volume Stylist Mascara to coat my lower lashes. And then I am taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer to bronze up my face. I pretty much use this all over my face just to give it a little bit more warmth. Then I'm going in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette and using that bottom middle shade for my contour and focusing that right in the hollows of my cheeks. And I am taking the Becca and Jaclyn Hill collab palette and taking the blush shade Amaretto to give my cheeks a soft pink glow. And then taking my all-time favorite highlight, Champagne Pop, all over my face, pretty much. Highlights, or the high points of my cheeks, the Cupid's bow, and the tip of my nose, and the bridge of my nose, and the center of my chin. And I am taking the NYX lip liner in Peekaboo Nude, using that to outline my lips and fill them in a little bit. And then I am taking this Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick. I don't know the name of it, I'm sorry. I'm just using that to fill in my lips. And then I am taking my Milani Make It Last setting spray, giving that a good shake, and spraying that all over my face to set my makeup in place. Okay, and that is the finished look. We have the green smoky under eye, and the warm brown smoky eyelid, just paired with a new lip. So thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!